If your Squarespace website has started to feel cluttered, off-brand, or you've made too many style changes and want a fresh start, this tutorial is going to show you exactly how to restart your Squarespace website styling the right way. In just a few minutes, you'll learn how to reset your site styles back to the default settings, confirm the change safely, and save everything properly so your website is updated cleanly. If this video helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more easy Squarespace tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to your Squarespace site editor and open the main editing interface for the website you want to restart. Once you're inside the editor, look to the top right corner and click Site Styles. This is the paintbrush icon, and it's where Squarespace keeps all of your design settings like colors, fonts, spacing, button styles, and layout options. After the Site Styles panel opens, scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the sidebar. Don't rush this part, because the reset option is usually placed at the bottom of the panel, so you may need to scroll past your style categories to find it. When you reach the bottom, click Reset Styles to Defaults. This is the option that will begin restoring your site's design settings back to Squarespace's original default styling. A pop-up warning will appear to make sure you understand what's happening. This is important because resetting styles can undo custom design changes you've made. If you're sure you want to continue, click Reset on the pop-up to confirm the action. Once the reset is complete, your style settings will be returned to the default state, which gives you a clean starting point to rebuild your design. After that, don't forget the final step. Click Save in the top left corner of your editor. Saving is what makes sure the reset is actually applied to your live editing session and not just left pending. If you skip this step, your changes may not be preserved the way you expect. And that's it, your Squarespace website styles have now been restarted and reset to defaults. This is a great way to fix design issues, clear out confusing style settings, or start fresh with a new look. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more Squarespace tips, step-by-step guides, and website editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.